Here I have featured in the shop various import models from around. This one here is going to be the Essie Warm Heart model, the Bun Baker over here, and then this is the Tiba Turkish cook stoves that we have. After seeing various stoves from around the world and price point, this Tiba one is very well built for the price point that it falls into, so I've been impressed with the overall quality of this particular product line. We have a lot of models that end up in our shop from freight damage that we end up, repairing the stoves, so we get to see all the different stoves from all over the world and the quality. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this tour around the shop and the various cook stoves that we import, and that it's helpful for you when making your purchase decision. And then, okay, get out of there. So this is kind of what it looks like behind the scenes filming. This is like my shop area. We have some dressers in here right now, but I'm working on cleaning out like repairs and stuff. These are various stoves that have been returned for freight damage or whatever reason, like that. Ouch. So you gotta watch out for those things during inspection. Yeah, this is kind of where the back end, all of our kind of parts that we have for repairs and the stuff we ship out of here. And then directly on the other side is where the videos happen. And right now I have a stove burning. I had this bummer. my video I show you moving stuff around. I don't know if this was me. I think it was me. I think I was on that side of the stove. I cracked this tile. So, yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. My back end of where the magic happens, and we're burning this Rizzoli and a lady. If you guys like my videos, don't forget, give me that thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.